Is it recording? It's recording. Okay, this is your audition day. You prepared, nagbihis ka, nag-ayos ka, di ba? You prepared, you gave your application. Okay. So you're John Albert Tan, the artist, and you want to audition for this production. Alright. Hi, John. So, okay, tell me more about yourself. Like you say something that can connect to the production. I am a fairly new artist. You say this, a fairly new artist. I've done a lot of workshops and I've taken voice lessons, and because I'm very passionate about performing, and that's why I am here today, because I want to have that opportunity to perform, not only for you but for a lot of people. Yun, maano na sila, wow, sige, so seryoso pala tong taong to, ganyan. Okay, so you're gonna sing a Tagalog song. I want to sing an OPM first because I am an advocate of OPM. So Tagalog muna. Pero kunwari, manaaral mo na yung sa Jekyll and Hyde, yung English song. Go, Albert. Open your mouth. Relax. Relax.
Ang bigay ng may sa aking dasal upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw, ikaw, ang tanaw sa aking mundo. Kabiyak nitong pusong ko, wala
Forward your voice.
ni kahatimang sa galing na sa'yo'y may papalit. Ngayon kailan may ikaw ang lahat ng aking galak. Ang sanhi ay ikaw buhay, bukas mang tingnan may at magpapakailanman bawat sandali ay upang muli-ulian ang magaling at magpapakailanman upang bawat sandali ay upang muli-ulian ang mahalin ay
Yay! Very good, Albert.